everybody, my name is Gabrielle and I'm a scientist with Think Like a Scientist, and today we're going to create a bionic hand out of construction paper. It's really cool. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. So what you're going to need today for this experiment is you're going to need some straws. It can be any size, either some string or yarn. You're going to need a big piece of construction paper, some scissors, some tape, and then a marker of any color that you want. You can watch this with me and we'll go through it together, or you can find a worksheet on our website and use the worksheet to help you through it as well. First of all, you're just going to take your piece of paper, lay it flat, put your hand out all spread out on it, and then you're just going to trace around every finger. You've probably done this in school before. And if you need to, if your hand is a little too small to fit everything on it, you can also use an adult's hand and trace around it as well. So after you've traced your whole hand, ask an adult to help you cut it out with your scissors, and you just cut along the lines. So I've already done that. So this is what it should look like when you're done. See? There's my hand all cut out. Next, we're going to be cutting our straws. So these are the bones of the hand. They're what give our hand structure. So take your straw, and what we need is 3 short little bones, or 3 short little straws for each finger. So we're going to put one there, one there, one there. So they should each be about that size. Maybe a little shorter, maybe a little longer, depending on how long your hand fingers are. So you're going to cut out 3 of each, and we're going to put them on each hand like that. After you cut out 3 for each finger, we're going to do 1 long one for each finger too. So these long straws that you're going to cut are going to be for the palm, because we have bones in our palm right here, but they're pretty long, right? So just measure your straw. See, let's see, this is pretty big. So we'll do from here to about, the finger starts right here. So let's cut it right about that length. So I'm gonna cut it right there. And that's perfect. So you should have 5 of these, so 1 for each finger. The next thing to do is to tape them to your hand. And this might take you a while, so it's okay if you need to pause the video and then press play again when you've got all of these taped down. So far we've only got 3 short straws taped. And see, I made these a little too long because it's going into the palm. So next time I would cut them shorter. Then you're just gonna put your long straws and tape them down too, right in line with these straws too. So just do that for each of your fingers, but it should look just like that. Next, you're gonna take your thread or your yarn or your string, whatever you wanna use, and you're just gonna put it through the straws all the way from this end to the very end. Perfect, and I got it through the first one, but now I gotta put it through all of them. Okay, I made it through every single straw in that line. See how it's all nice and lined up? So then you can cut the end over here, and I left like a good amount of string still on this side. This side, we're gonna tape it to the back side of our paper. So flip it around and put a piece of tape just right there. And that's the only place we need to tape our string. Perfect. And then you're gonna do that for all 5 fingers. I've already done that, so I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So here we go. We've got the straws and the string. If you want to, it's totally your choice. You can cut out a piece of paper that's in a little rectangle and tape it to the back only. Don't tape it to the string, tape it to the back. And that kind of helps stabilize the string so they don't go everywhere. And you're done. So this is what your hand should look like. when you're all the way through the process. So we talked about your straws, those are your bones. And so the strings are our muscles. So when we want to move our hands, we use our muscles and we pull the bones closer together, just like that. And our hand can decide, do I want to pull all of them to wave at someone? Or do I just want to make the thumb move? And so we only use the muscles for our thumb. So that's a little bit about what's going on every time you move your hands. Hope you enjoyed it.